Well, it's time for our next project on What's Next Garage. Gonna be a good one. Okay, we have, I think this is 14-foot aluminum trailer. Yep, 14 foot. This trailer is actually pretty good for one thing, hauling narrow, long stuff. It's not good for anything else. But you can see right here, I went ahead and loaded the front half with retaining wall block and then took it down the road, and that was the result. We look under here, it broke right at the grommet for the wiring. The other side obviously gave way. So today I'm going to pick this up, flip it over, and from that point we'll get this back straight and then we'll weld it up. Oh yeah, by the way, it's my first run at using my Lincoln PowerWave 355M for aluminum welding. These are some of the welds that I did already with it. I really like that weld versus that. That weld's a little cold. But I can pretty much throw down this bead pretty good with that PowerWave 355M. So if we can do it like this, practicing, let's hope we can do it like that on this old trailer. And I will just pick up with the lift. I'll pick this up and get it to tip. Then I'll have to pick it up higher and kind of swing the bottom this way and maybe use those to support, and then we'll do all kinds of doodads and whatnots. And I didn't sweep off anything, so it's gonna be a mess. Yeah, what else is new? Alright, let's see what we get. That's it. Okay, lay her down. Lower her down a little. Or not. Woo! Okay, let her down. Go down. Oh, now it's really broke. Holy shit. Let me take a look. Oh, wow. That locked right in there perfectly. Holy smoke. Okay, time to get the welds cleaned up. And I have this stainless steel for aluminum only. Yeah, it'll go in there. Probably not the perfect application for it, but it's tight. All right, let's get it. Okay. Ouch. All right, we're cutting it at 20 inches and we're using this pretty aggressive, I don't know, wood saw. Cuts really nice. That's because it doesn't get plugged up with aluminum. Those will be the 2 stitch pieces that we put in there. We're going to put this approximately here. And I'm just going to, for now, I'm going to C-clamp that on. You can see that it's going to hold parallel, and it bit really good into the brake. That's probably what's saving me the most, is I didn't grind that down and then I'm trying to line it up. For right now, I think we're okay to tack, and maybe I'll run that bead. All right, we're pulling out of my PowerWave 355M. We're set at pulse, 350 wire speed, 1 on the trim, which is default. The wire speed is not the default, the trim is the default. That's a synergistic system, so I'm using that synergistic program. And we're gonna come down here, and we're gonna warm up that joint, and we're gonna tack it. I'm thinking I'm just gonna weld the whole thing. I'm very comfortable with the fact that we have it in line, square, and everything is gonna be good.
Okay, we're going to try and weld this up and down. Okay, for this long run, I changed my setting to manual. So now I'm at a 413 wire speed and 20 volts. That's what I practiced with my coupons in this material. I think that's going to hold pretty good. I'm just going to start the other side and see how it goes.
All right, this is the bottom. So that's what we have for welds. So they're triple passed here and here, one root, and then kind of smushing it out there. It's gonna stay, that's for sure. Now we'll flip it over, get the top side done, pull the wires in, and we're all done with this one.
Come here, boy. Come on. You freaky dog. I don't need to analyze. Every word that comes out is a lie. Make it look like it's so ice, ice, ice. You won't make it to the finish line. Now if you gotta know the truth, was gonna let you go. You was fine, never mind, unpredictable.
Trailer is all done. Got the wood back in place. We've got our supports all welded up. We're welded underneath. It's the wiring harness back. And have all our side marker lights in. I think the next project's gonna be to take that one and the brush mower up north and start cutting trails. Well, we just got done with a 150-mile ride. Trailer as solid as can be. I would say that's a success. That's the load we had, probably 400 pounds and probably 200 pounds. Pretty bumpy roads, and we made it with no problem. So I would say that is an aluminum welding success. I thought welding aluminum with my MIG machine was gonna be tough. I went to Rock Mount Welding Alloys. They hooked me up with their Neptune wire, 035, and a little bit of practice, and everything went well. Thanks, Rock Mount. Thanks, Metal Anthony. There are people out there willing to help.